Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have this nice little kits from EVEELYN. If y'all remember them, they send me things from time to time, and this is a nice little kit that you can get on Amazon. And it is a contour kit. And let me show you what's in there. Everything was shrink wrapped really nicely, and I did cut that off of it so that I could get into it easier. It comes in this cute little bag. Your little bag will not have smudge bites on it, but isn't that cute? Nice little package. And there are 3 sticks. And then there is this really nice dense brush. It's really nice, and I have used it, so it's very dense, and it'll do all of our buffing that we need to do. This is it says on Amazon 3-piece cream contour stick makeup set. And it comes in a couple different sets. I have the Fair Light. And it also says about this item, the perfect 4-piece contour makeup set, because it has the brush. It is a makeup set, includes a bronzer stick, a highlighter stick, a blush stick, and the makeup brush. And with it, you can create 3D facial contours and collar. You can, work on your collarbone and things like that. A lot of things that I don't know how to do as far as contouring goes, but let me show you what these little packages. They all say shimmer stick, and they're really pretty little sticks. And they all have a cap on them. This one is the blush stick. Now, I didn't wear lipstick on purpose because you can wear this on your cheeks, you can wear this on your eyes. This is one of those all-purpose sticks, so I thought I would put it on my lips. And it is a bit of an orange. It's hard to do in the camera, y'all. But a bit of an orange to it. Let me open the other so you can see what the other sticks look like. Okay, so they really pretty packaging. This is the highlighter. And then this is the contour. And I do think a lot of different skin tones can use these. There's the contour. Now, I'm not one to do contour, but we're gonna try. But let me show you, we'll do the blush. And a little goes a long way, y'all. So I do have a little bit of makeup on already. I like that lipstick, it's pretty. So what I usually do with a cream blush that's a stick, because if you rub it down, it's gonna be a lot. So I try to do a little dotting, and then so you can see it's on me. And then with this fabulous dense brush, you can blend it in. And it's really pretty, very pretty. And then we have the highlight, which is a beautiful gold. This one's a beautiful gold. And highlight, a lot of people will put highlight different places. They might put it around, up here. I'm just using it like a crayon almost. And over here. And some people put it right on their nose. And, they accent different areas. So I never put highlighter on my nose, but I thought I would just because that's what, trying to show you. And it is a very pretty highlight. And let me show you, I'll swatch it on my hand too so you can see. There's the all over, the blush lipstick. You can use it on your eyes. And then the highlight, it's very, very beautiful, the highlight. It's very light. You can see the shimmer. Isn't that pretty? Very nice shimmer. You can even put that, you can use these anywhere on your face. You can put this over your lips a little bit if you want to add a little shimmer to your lips. And now we have the contour. Let me show you the contour real quick on my hand so you can see how it is. And then I'm going to attempt to do a little contour. I'm not really a contour person, so but I wanted to show you. I do want to tell you a couple other things about the products. It's EVEELYN. It's EVEELYN, and I'll have that in the title, and I'll have the link to where you can get this on Amazon. It's $12.99 for this set, for this 4 pieces. And the last time I looked, they had a 10% off. So, you know, during the holidays, you'll see a lot of things like that where you can save some money. And you can also click on EVEELYN's name and see what else they sell, because they do sell other beauty type products. So it's natural and easy to blend. Very easy to blend, I'll tell you that. The contour stick, highlighter, and blush features silky smooth and hydrating properties that blend naturally with foundation and blend seamlessly into your skin, easily creating non-greasy facial contours and concealing pores and blemishes. Leave skin smoother and more radiant. They're long-lasting and they're waterproof, which I really thought was nice that they're waterproof. They will last up to 24 hours. Excuse me. And it's a gentle formula. The contour sticks are made with cruelty-free ingredients that won't cause irritation, even on sensitive skin. And it says they're easy to use. Just wipe on, blend, and go. Contour set with cream formulas and high pigments that blend effortlessly on all skin tones, leaving a lightweight, non-greasy feel, natural finish in seconds. It saves you time and brings efficiency for a better life, it says. So I was looking at my face, okay? I have somewhat of a natural contour here, and you know, but this side I don't have it. So I thought maybe I would try to match that. I don't know. I'm not really sure how to do it. But I would think you maybe draw a line, and that might not have been the best way to do it. I don't really know. But you know, that's one thing nice about this type of a kit. You can learn, you can teach yourself and learn and watch YouTube videos to find out more. But then you would blend it in as much or as little as you like, and then you have some contour. What do y'all think? So that is what I got from EVEELYN. And these are, let me show you again. Well, I'll show you. All right, here they are. Very pretty packaging. I love the packaging. And here they are on my hand. And I hope you can see that shimmer, because it's just so beautiful. And just to see how it blends very nicely. This brush is just nice and dense. And it'll help you to do your blending. So now that's been on there a little while without blending, so I don't know if it'll dry a little bit. It might have been. And I do think, like I said, a little goes a long way with the blush stick, because you wouldn't use that much. I just showed you that so that you could see how it, you know, the color and all. And then that highlight. Now I've got the orange all on here though, but the highlight is just beautiful. I love the highlight. Really pretty. So that is what I got. And it is, like I said, I'll have the link below if you'd like to look at it. And I just think, for me, what a great, inexpensive way to try to learn some contouring. And y'all, you know, I've heard people say you can put contour under here to try to hide some of my double chin, double, triple, quadruple chin. So let's just check it out, because if this works, I'll be using this all the time. So all I did was sort of tap it, and then I'm gonna just try to blend this out a little bit. Again, if I can watch maybe some YouTube videos. YouTube is great for teaching you things, to see maybe how to do that a little bit better. And I could do this for the camera and not necessarily go out in it, like if it's too dark to go out in, but in the camera, sometimes the way the lighting is, it might be just perfect. I've never really done it before, but I've heard people say that, you know, that you definitely could do it. So anyway, I'm not sure if that helped at all, you know, but y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got from EVEELYN. And thank you to EVEELYN for sending me this beautiful set. And like I said, go check when you open up a link, when you look at Amazon, there's usually toward the top of the product, above the picture, it'll say something like store. Or sold by, and it's usually highlighted in blue, and you can click on it and see what else they sell. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.